Hey class, this is the third page of the review, starting with lesson 3, the temperature conversions. So it says convert the following temperatures to Kelvin. So if we're looking to go to Kelvin, that means that Kelvin equals, there we go, degrees Celsius, and then we're going to add 273. Okay, so Kelvin equals degrees Celsius. So here the first one is 50 degrees. So I plug that in over here. It's 50 plus 273, and that gives me 323. Okay, next one is 20 degrees Celsius. 20 plus 273, that gives me 293. Okay, you can finish the rest there. Then it says convert the following temperatures to Celsius. That means Celsius equals, now if we solved for Kelvin the first time, and we solve for Celsius for the second time, that means I'm going to take Kelvin minus 273 to get our degrees Celsius. So that will be 50 minus 273. So 50 minus 273, of course, is 223. And then 20 minus if I subtract these two, my fault, I have a minus. So that's my degrees Celsius here. These are in Kelvin, and that's in degrees Celsius. So 20 minus 273 is a negative 253, like that. There. Now we're on the right track. And then follow the same thing for the last two, 150 and 300. All right, continue on. This is the percent error. Percent error works very much like this. We take whatever our measured value, subtract it from the actual value. After you subtract, I divide by the actual value and I multiply by 100, and that will give us the percent error. So what does this look like when we use the problem here? Joshua uses his thermometer and finds the boiling point of ethyl alcohol to be 75. Okay, so let's do that over here. 75 is his measured amount. He looks in the reference book and finds that the actual boiling point is 80 degrees, like that, Celsius. And then we're going to divide by 80 degrees after I subtract. So when I subtract, I get a negative 5 degrees Celsius divided by 80 degrees Celsius. I'm going to multiply whatever that is by 100. Okay? Let's take a look at my calculator. So 75 minus 80 equals a minus 5 divided by 80 times 100 equals negative 6.25% error. Okay, the same for all of them. All you have to do is identify. The density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is known to be that. This would be the actual. You just read the problem. Kayla experimentally found the density of water to be this. This is the measured part. Okay, so actual, it's measured minus actual. Good. I think you guys can do those last two, and see how you did. The last part of this is, what is the volume of the liquid and the correct number of significant figures? Okay, so we're measuring now. Notice that between 30 and 40 there are 10 divisions. So each division is going to be at the ones place. So here I measure at the meniscus of the liquid. That's 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, but it looks like it's in between 36 and 37. So that would be 36. Now that's the smallest integer that I can measure on this, so I can estimate one place to the right. And one place to the right would be this one, and because the difference between 0.7 and 0.6 is so small, I just use a 0.5. So we're measuring to the 10th place, one place to the right of the smallest measurement on that scale. That's it. Nice, quick, and easy. Good luck.